How to change Lazada coins to Lazada Wallet. If you want to change your Lazada coins to Lazada Wallet, what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Lazada application. Once you launch the Lazada app, tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then when you tap the account icon from the bottom right corner, you have to simply scroll down to My Lazada Wallet section. Now just tap on the view option under My Lazada Wallet. If you have got some kind of coins within your Lazada wallet, then you'll be able to withdraw them to your Lazada wallet as a payment method. So from there you can go ahead and then link other options. But in my case I do not have any coins, but if you have, then once you find them you'll be able to confirm and transfer them over to Lazada wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.